Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Go Get a Girl catch-all, and I'm going to be using these sticker sheets from Martinez Sticker Company in celebration of Valentine's Day. And then I also have my skinny washi along with my Zig Clean Color Doll. And then Martinez Sticker Company is having a 40% off of their All in Love collection, so make sure that you guys use code LOVE40 and then mention my name in the notes section. That way you guys can receive my cute little freebies. So yeah, make sure that you guys check all of that, and I will go ahead and leave everything linked down in the description box below so you guys can save a little bit of money on your order. And then now that I think about it, Valentine's Day is on Monday, and then actual Valentine's Day is on the 14th. So I actually don't even have to decorate both of these pages. So I am so glad that I actually just realized that, because I had it all set up now. So yeah, I'm technically only going to be decorating Monday then. Okay, so that definitely works. Let me go ahead and grab my script stickers, and so I guess I will be back to decorate for Valentine's Day. So let's see, let's go ahead and put that off to the side and let's focus on this. So let's see. So it says Happy Valentine's Day, and then Girls Night, fries over guys, and then we have to remember what's important. Friends, waffles, work, or waffles, friends, work, but work has to come third. I love that. So let's see. I think what I want to do first. Okay, so I definitely want to use this one, Happy Valentine's Day, because that is exactly what we are celebrating today. And so let me see, let me grab my tweezers. So hopefully I'm not too rusty, because I actually haven't planned in a while, and I actually have to back plan. Everything has been a bit crazy over here, so I just haven't had the time. So hopefully I'm not too rusty though. So let's see. Of course, I want to use a flower. So I'm just going to put that there, and then maybe this one. Maybe like right here. Perfect. And then, did I want to add another flower, or maybe these like wine glasses? I don't know, maybe they could fit over here. Yeah, I think maybe I'll put them here. So let's see about this flower, or I don't know, maybe some lips. Okay, so let's wait on that. Actually, I think I want to go ahead and see if I can fit this over here and then use this quote. I feel like I have more space to decorate over here, since I'm not going to be decorating Tuesday. So that was actually a nice little surprise. Didn't realize that I am not having to decorate Tuesday. So then let's go ahead and place this one over here. Let's see. Okay, so maybe right there. Ooh, some little fries like sprinkled over here would have been nice. Okay, where are my scissors? Oh, right over here. So yeah, if you guys haven't watched my updated planner lineup, make sure that you guys watch that. And then what else did I have? Oh, I did have a setup video of my Go Get a Girl planner. And so I'll go ahead and link those videos down in the description box below in case you guys missed that. But yeah, I haven't done too much planning, so I was really excited to get back on camera and film this. So I actually love this right here. That looks so good. Okay, so as far as like this little section, I actually don't even know what I want to do. So I was thinking of using the flower, but then the flower is right there. And then I didn't even bother to like cover this up. So I'm wondering if I can do that really quick. And maybe use like the heart waffle because the flower and the lips are red. So I think that's just going to like blend in. So how about we cover this? And instead of actually using the skinny washi, why don't we grab the grid washi? Because I actually haven't used it in like a long time. It's been a while since I've actually used grid washi. So yeah, I kind of miss it. Okay, so there's that. I am loving it already. Let's use this one. I was thinking about using the wine glasses, but never mind. Let's just go ahead and use this. Oh, and there it is kind of see-through, so I don't know much about that, but let's see. How about if we maybe put it on this shipping label and then cut around it so that way it's not clear? I don't know. Let's kind of try it out. I've done this before, but I haven't like done it lately. So let's just kind of see. I'm just going to cut around it and hopefully it works. If not, well, we can just scrap this and grab something else. And there's actually a few sales going on for Valentine's Day. So if I oh no, let me see if I can take this out because sometimes this shipping label is a pain. Okay, whew, there we go. We have a little bit right here because I think in the beginning when I started using this shipping label, it was very sticky, and so it actually, once it was down, and I was not able to like pick it back up without everything just kind of sticking down. So it was, oh my gosh, it was a hot mess. So every time I would use this shipping label in the very beginning, I made sure that I was being extra careful not to make it like touch any of the paper where I didn't want it to, because once it was down and it actually messed up my paper. So I'm kind of terrified of it, but now that it's been actually a few years since I bought it, I don't think it's as sticky anymore. So that's good. So I went ahead and just cut around it just because I kind of messed up. So I didn't want some of that white peeking through. So let's see. I think this is going to work because now I don't see the grid like right behind it. So yeah, I really like that. So that's a nice little trick if you guys have clear stickers and you want to make them not clear anymore. Yeah, you can definitely use sticker paper as well, because these shipping labels are like cut down to size, but in my case they worked amazing. Okay, so we have that, and then I also have these little heart, like little bullet points, and of course I am thinking about using them as bullet points because I already used the pink one, and so I'm thinking that I could tie in the red. So I think I'm gonna put them maybe off to the side. Or did I want to do it like on top of the timestamp? Okay, I think I'm just gonna do it maybe like right there. So yeah, let me go ahead and lay these down and then I'll be right back. Okay, so there we go. I think that looks so beautiful. Okay, so how about we continue with the bullet points and then do our water intake here and exercise. So there's that. And how about we do our little script stickers. And actually, my order from Simply Smith Stickers, I believe it has shipped already. I ordered a bunch more script stickers that I actually need for my, what is it? My, oh, what am I trying to say? My social media planner. There we go. So I actually need more for over there than over here. But I also have some like kits coming in as well, so I'm super excited about that. She is always having like great deals, like 50% off of her Etsy shop, and then her freebies are so adorable. And then the last one is to do. All right, so there we go. And then I also have like my orders from Go Get a Girl, but I just haven't been filming, so I'm a little bit behind on that. So hopefully I can get it together. Hopefully. So let's see. Maybe we can use like some cute little lips over here. I think that I might want to use these like wine glasses over here. And I'm going to go with the bigger one because, I mean, we do have the space. I just kind of have to, like, tilt it to see where I want it. So let's try that again. Maybe just looking straight, kind of, because one is tilted. Okay, so there is that. Yeah, I think I really like that. And then let's go ahead and sprinkle in some of these other little stickers. So maybe one could go there. And then I do like this girls' night. And of course, I love the lips. Those are super adorable. So let's see if we can add a smaller one, maybe like right there. Okay. So yeah, I think that looks really good. And, I think I want to add something over here. So maybe we can do what we did with the lips. Use a bigger and a smaller flower. Yeah, maybe like right there and then like right here. Okay, that looks cute. And now I want to use more of the lips. They are super cute. So maybe like right here, or did we like it just like that? I don't know. What do we think? Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it alone actually. Yeah, I think it looks really good. I definitely don't want to take away from this little area over here. I think it looks so cute. I actually don't even know about this like workout section. Should I, not section, but like script stickers, should I leave it there or should I take it out? Let's see. Okay, I think for once, I'm not going to add this one, which is completely okay because I know what it's for, but it's always fun to add a cute little sticker. But yeah, I definitely don't want to take away from the fries or the quote. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave it like that. Anything else? So we have all our bullet points. We have our hearts going. We have our script stickers. Yeah, I think this might be it. I definitely don't want to like overcrowd it. I think this section is already making like a statement. And then I love how this turned out as well. So yeah, I don't think that I want to overcrowd it or just add stickers for the sake of adding stickers. So let's see, these are wanting to come out. So yeah, at least I'm somewhat prepared for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that one alone and then just decorate Monday. And yeah, I think it looks so cute. I love everything about it. The little lips and the flowers and everything just came together so well. And yeah, I really like it. So make sure that you guys check out Martinez Sticker Company and save 40% off of your order using code LOVE40 and mention my name in the notes section so you guys can receive my freebie and just save money on your order. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.